Hi class. Going to do the presentation for the database for the final project. So let's go to the logic form of the database we designed. So the first thing of all, I think that we need a username table. So in the username, we have the user ID and the user password, and both of them is varchar, and yeah, I should later add it not null in my database because um, they need the user ID and password to log in. And we then have the team table. The team table has a team ID, which is the team name. It's a varchar 255, and team score. I think team score should be updated by an integer, and it's a score that they get for right problems once they finish the test. And then we have user ID 1, 2, 3, 4. The user ID 1 is used to match with the user ID on this side because it's the user ID 1 is the user who starts the team, who starts the team table. And for since usually all teams usually have 4 members, I could go on and adding 2 and 3 or 4 and 5, but I stop here at 4. And since one team uh, doesn't have to be null, doesn't have to be full with 4 members, so the 2, 3, and 4 user ID could be null, and this is a many to many relationship, as you can see here. And in the middle is the user and team junction table, which is a table that isn't on my SQL database because this is only a table that we could use select and inner join, so that we could find the same user ID, and then we list out the team score in the middle. So it's a frictional table, and um, it is only used when we rank these teams. And for a team, since for here the topic table, the user each user, it's a one to many relationship here, since one user could contribute to topics. So one user could contribute to many, so one to many. And the topics here is first includes a topic ID, which is an integer, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then is topic question. I think a long text will fit here because who knows how long the question might be. And the topic answer here is char, because it's usually selection A, B, and C, so it's A, B, and C. So data type char will fit in. Topic selection A, B, and C are the 3 options for the students, for the users to choose, and I suppose they could be in long text. And for topic hints, it's long text as well. And since I didn't get too close to I didn't get fully comprehend the the instructions for the final project, so I also include a test table. A test table is we could use a random select to choose from the topic, and it's gonna be a test, so for the teams to finish and earn their scores. And for this test table, we have team ID, which is matching to this team ID here. A test ID, which is an integer. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, as many as possible. And team test score. The test score will be added to the team score, which is also an integer. And there will be we could also use a function like select all the tests with the same team ID and add all their score together to update their team scores. And topic ID, which is the one which is picked from the topic table, and the test time. So test time is the time lapse for the team to compare for their scores. So we can let's look at my wireframe of the project. So here we have the online website. So I named it at www.2xl.com, and here we have the sign in with the username and the password. Of course, the signing up page will let you enter a username, password, and user's first name and last name. We can obviously make more of it to happen, like email and stuff, but I just wanted to keep it simple. So after we log in, we here have the account page. So I made the website's address 2xl.com/account. I have the username, but usually on account page we don't have user password, but here just make it simple. We do have this. We have a button of join test because in my logic table I have like random selection from the topics to make a test. We'll use the test to record the score. So here we have a join test and then join group. So here on this on the right side we have the group with all the users that are in the group, and then we have new topic, which is the button you can click to create a new topic and check topics for you to revise about the topics, and exit group so you could detach yourself from the group. And we have the group ranks here, and this is a visualization of the group rank. We have John's group here at 550 points, Alex group has 330 points, Neil's group, and yeah, that follows the ranking. We could use that. We could use the inner join of team and user account, and then we can rank it with select statement. On the third page, here is the check topic, the revising page. There are option A, B, C, and here's the topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There could be more, and two buttons. One's for exiting review. The other is for adding a new topic, since we can everyone in the class can add a topic to it. On the fourth page, we have the test, 2xl.com/test, because we on this page we could use the clicking to choose the test results, and we have the current score here. Look of my SQL table. So let's say show tables. We have the tables in final project, in the database final project, team, test, topics, user team, and user account. So in this place, let's see, select from the first table will be user account. Let's see. Here we have user ID, Harvey Betty 1, and user password. And then let's have a look at the select. We don't have user team for my table because that is a fictional table that we could actually make with inner join between user account and team. Let's have a look of select. And here we have the team that is created, the Betty team and Juan team. We have team scores here, and the Betty team has two users in her team, Betty and Harvey, and Juan's team only have Juan himself. Let's see. See what we could do here. So I copy and paste the statement. Select star from user account inner join team on user account user ID equals to the team user, and let's see what this will do. So since we have the order by statement here, we can order. Oh, wait, let's see. So with the select and the inner join statement, we can have the user dash team table created out, and here we have the team ID, the score. The score is being ordered by descending, so Wang's team is actually higher in the in the user dash team table. And then we can have a look of the topic table. Oh. Topics. And this is an example for the topic. The topic table has a topic ID, which is a numerical ID. Integer, and topic question, which country has the largest soil? It's a long text. Topic answer, it's A, Russia. It has the largest soil. And we have selection B, United States. Section C, China. And topic hint, it has a nuclear bomb, but it's not a good hint since all these countries have nuclear bombs. Adding new users, it's pretty simple too. Display alter table. Hold on. To user account value. See what's in the user's account. Oh, we have it's all varchar, so it's Bill. Let's see. Bill. Team score. Oh, hold on. User password. Bill is the best. First name Bill. Second name Alexander. And yeah, that's it. So we can see select user account. Yeah, so we have Bill on the user accounts too, and then for adding topics, it's gonna be easy too. Just say insert into topics value. The first value for topic is the topic ID. It's an integer, so we won't need the quote. Topic question. What is the biggest animal? Then we have topic answers. The topic answer should be B, let's say. The first one's elephant. Second one, this option B is whale. Option C is tiger. Let's see. And hint. Hint could be it lives in water. And yeah, a new row is added. So let's have a look. Select from topics. Yeah, so we now have two topics